Good morning, family. It's early in the morning, and I decided I wanted to fix me some breakfast. And it's actually like 6 something in the morning. I don't know why I woke up hungry this morning, y'all, but I woke up hungry. So I decided to go ahead and fix me some breakfast. And then if I get sleepy, I can just doze back off to sleep and get up and go about my day. So what I'm gonna be making, y'all, is some chicken and pancakes. I already got some chicken. I went to Popeyes last night and I got us some chicken, so I decided I wanted me some chicken and pancakes. And for those of you that know me, you know that I love pancakes and you know I love me some fried chicken. So that's what I'm going to be having this morning. Oh, and some eggs. So that's what I'm going to be having this morning for breakfast. Y'all, well, good morning. I hope you have a good day today. If you're watching this in the afternoon, good day to you. I hope you had a good day. But y'all, let's get into this video. Welcome to my channel. If you is new, I'm happy to have you. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so what I got me is some instant pancake mix. I'm just going to get that off of my bowl. Only thing you need for this is some water. And nothing like some quick pancakes. Alright, so to that, I'm going to add me some cold water. And I like to add some vanilla extract to my pancake mix. That's just for more flavor. And then if you normally I like to add some cinnamon to my pancake mix, y'all, to my pancakes, but I ain't worried about it today because I just want to fix my pancakes and eat. I don't know why I'm so hungry, but I went to bed early too last night. Thank God. Been a long time coming for that. So got my pancake mix mixed up like that right there. All right, sit that to the side. All right, y'all. So I got my little skillet on the stove. I'm finna start cooking up these pancakes. I'm gonna use one pan for everything. So I'm putting some butter in my pan. All right, y'all. So I got my butter in the skillet. So now I'm gonna add my pancake mix. And if you pour your pancake mix all in one spot and just let it spread, you get your nice round pancake. And I'm gonna turn my temp down low enough because y'all know that first pancake, honey, turned out to be the worst one, and I ain't with that. Everybody got no grocery to be wasting. So I turn it down low enough so I don't mess it up. Yeah. And so for those of you that don't know, some people, they just can't get pancakes right. And I know I ain't did nothing much to them, but they just don't know how to cook them right for some reason. Have your temp down low enough where it's not cooking too fast. And before you try to turn it over to keep from having a mess, you want to at least let some bubbles come up on the top of it. When you let the bubbles come up on top, the bread is kind of like ready. That's like an indication to let you know that it's ready to be flipped. So that's what I do. And I'm kind of like a little, pro with it at the same time. So, I can flip mine when it's a little doughy on top, but some people, they just don't know. And another thing that I don't like is when people, it's just up to you, depends on how you like your pancakes. But me personally, I like soft, fluffy pancakes. So the cold water is what give you that. And also when you cooking the pancake, don't be mashing it. Just let it fluff up. And when you flip it over, don't mash it. Just let it cook on the opposite side, and that's all you gotta do. But I can't stand when I see people just be mashing pancakes and stuff. No, 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 no. You want some nice little fluffy pancakes. And when you flip it over, basically the only thing you're gonna do is cook that little dough right on that side. But see how you got the bubbles on top? See how you got those bubbles on top? And now it ain't too liquidy and loose. That's how you know it's ready to be flipped. Look at that. Perfect. So let it sit there and just cook that for like a minute, and that's it, and take it out. And I like to swirl it around. See, if it's still stuck, there you go. It was still doughy, kind of like it was still stuck. But I just swirl it around just to get that butter on that side of it. And I like butter in between my pancakes. That's just me. I like the butter, 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 butter. So I'm gonna flip this back over like that. And I'm gonna put some more butter on this side, because this side didn't really get as much butter. And there we go. And now we can do us another one. Alright, so now it's time to fry those eggs. I like fried eggs better than scrambled eggs. That's just my preference. So I'm just adding some butter to this pan. Same pan for everything. And then I'm going to crack my egg. Okay, so then I bust up my yolk because I don't like it yolky. And I'm going to add some black pepper to them. I don't add salt or seasoning salt because when you put them on fried eggs, they get salty. So then I'm going to add some onion powder, which I would like to add some, but I just don't like that taste. It seems like the salt just be sitting on the eggs and it just be too salty for me. So I prefer not to put salt on my fried eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna let those go fry. I know when it's ready to flip, when it's firm enough around the edges. So we're just gonna roll that over. And then I like cheese on mine. So I'm gonna take me a piece of Kobe Jack cheese. Split that in half. Lay it on top and just let it melt. I could basically turn the eye off from there because they done. So I'm gonna just let that cheese just melt down on them. Alrighty, y'all. So here's my fried chicken and pancakes and fried eggs. If y'all got some leftover chicken, throw it in your air fryer, let it get crispy again, as you can see, and hook up you some breakfast with it. I'm telling you, that sweet and savory is the way to go. But until the next video, this your girl Tiana, gonna be me. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out.